I'm gonna get ourselves a little bass line underneath this. So that's cool. I don't think I'll leave it to that because it's a nice push, let's say, for breakdown, but it's not rolly enough, I think, to drive the track forward if we do some real prog trance. I mean, not sure, maybe just a half. And then I'm gonna select all, shorten. Okay. I like it to here, but the transition of the bass shouldn't be. Uh-oh. Like this. It sounds good, it looked good. I'm taking my time putting the midis together. Alright, we're getting into something here. Remember, I just started with one MIDI file that had a chord progression. It's still there, it's gonna be one of the main part. So we have two bass, this bass here. It's more like a toppy, and then the lower. Started right away on the bass line. Okay, so when we want a bass line in that genre, at least to me, I like some hits. I like. I don't dislike that at all. Oh, but that. Exactly the sound for this type, at least in my opinion. And start cut the pad. This pad takes a lot of room in the mix, so I'm gonna put it behind. Guys, let's get into the bass. So for the bass, I'm gonna take the chord progression. I'm gonna drop all of this, and I'm gonna take for me, this is the type of thing that I would see probably with some vocals. So I'm gonna say that like this. Ooh, yeah. I think if I layer this with the 303. So I'm going to use like an upto, and I'm going to compress. So I want both of the signals to be really joined together into one, into the track to really do something with them. So what I feel like doing now is like I'm going to do some hits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bass from here. And I'm gonna do not a low bass, because in this type of music they tend to do a mid bass and then a top bass. So I'm gonna bring it up an octave. Oh yeah. I like this song. It's got some character. So I'm gonna take this pad, and for now I will tame it a little bit. That means drop the filter on it. So it's just sitting in the back while we're building the parts. We can bring it back when we do some arrangement a little bit later on. I know I'm going a bit heavy with this, but I will do something right away. So I'm gonna do a sidechain compression on it, so it will not be so constant, this hit. I'm gonna do 4:1 ratio, and I'm gonna smash it a little bit. You can see it now. So it's a plus, I think. So this, the key change to this, so pound, pound, and pound, and then I skip here, and then I go pound. I'm tempted by this. So I'm trying to go, I wouldn't say off, but almost. At bar 1, split this here, come here. I think this bass is kind of cool. I'm sure if I open the filter, I get a bit more chunks, but again, it's just a starting point. If you want to start music and be effective, you don't want to go and just search for that wonderful preset, like I said earlier. You want to start with something, and then of course try to put it in the mix, drop some sidechain on it. Here, instrument, kick here. Put a bit more ratio here to really compress it. 4:1 is good. Just here. This was the original idea.